right, folks, I apologize about the audio. I know it is windy out here, but these are the type of impacts that we're seeing all across the community. We've been live in North Idaho throughout the morning in the storm tracker with some of those reports. We've seen several downed trees. We've seen lots of power outages, and hopefully the strongest of those gusts are officially behind us. But you can see this truck right here, a tree just falling on it at this rest stop. We're going to be continuing to make our way around the region, keeping you up to date with the latest conditions.